Welcome back everybody. Here is an overlook on the articles. We know that articles are A and D. The indefinite articles are A and the definite one is D. So for the specific counts we can use D. For the general counts we can use A or an. Article A is used before consonant sounds, a book, a pen, etc. Article an is used before a word that begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an orange, etc. So pronunciation matters when does the next word begin with a vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U. So you have to say a university, not an university. An R, where H is silent in hour, and it's pronounced as an R for temporary illnesses also. Use the to refer something which has already been mentioned and when you assume there is just one of something in that place. You can also use in sentences or clauses where you define or identify a particular person or object. Use the to refer some group of people. For superlatives, ordinal numbers are with the decades. You can use the. Also with the clauses introduced by only, the only tea, alak is black tea, and with the names of geographical areas as well. Use the with countries that include the words republic, kingdom or states with the newspaper names with the names of musical instruments, dances, desserts, etc. For famous buildings, work of art, museums, hotels and restaurants, unless these are named after a person, you can use the. Where not to use the? With the names of countries, languages, meals, people's names, professions, individual mountains, lakes and islands. Where you have to omit the article before names of substances and abstract nouns used in general sense. For instance, wisdom is the gift of heaven. Yes, here it is. Visit our office on number 37 Nerva Street, Kantipuram, Coimbatore. Thank you for listening. Welcome back everybody.